we have a problem, because in the fall, when almonds are harvested, they are dropped to the ground. And occasionally in California, we have heavy rains, and those almond fruits then get wet, and they may get contaminated with salmonella. In this case, we have shown, for example, in collaboration with UC Davis, that salmonella, when the almonds get wet, may enter the fruit all the way from the outside of the fruit, which is called the hull, onto the kernel, which we are looking at here. Almonds are composed of 3 layers, very similarly to an apricot fruit. They're actually part of the same plant family. The outer layer is the hull, and then comes the shell, and this shell then contains the seed of the fruit, which is the kernel and the nut that we eat. What is really nice about the technology that we developed is that we can dry the almond fruit, and we can sanitize it at the same time and make it safer to eat. This is the infrared dryer that was developed by my collaborators, Dr. Tara McHugh and Dr. Zhongli Pan, in the Healthy Processed Food Research Unit here at the ARS. And on this tray, we have mature dried almond fruit as they would be harvested in California in the fall. This research is very important because produce and nuts are grown outdoors in large orchards and fields and are not sterile, so they occasionally can get contaminated with human pathogens. And so by better understanding how the human pathogens colonize these plants, we can also develop better technologies to make sure that these plant derived foods that are eaten raw are also safe to eat. This research is important to me because I grew up in a rural area on a small island in Quebec, Canada, and I always loved plants. Later in college, I developed a true passion for plant microbiology, and this research in produce safety is really at the crossroads of plant science and medical microbiology. So by doing research in produce safety, this allows me to have impact not only at the agricultural level and help the farmers grow a safe product, but also in public health and ensure that the consumers have safe food to eat.